Hey, good morning, everyone. This is what? This is your Friday morning update. On the 8th of May, it is NFP day, so we need to be aware of that. What do we got? Um, all right, let's just quickly run a very quick what happened. So yesterday we had a okay sort of day. We started up here. We were long into from here up to here. And then whilst we took profits here, this was unexpected. If I'm honest with you, I was expecting this to give me some kind of five-wave bias, three back, and then go, and it didn't do that. Because I was looking at this as some kind of corrective wave of this. So what did it do? It just marched down. So, but however, we did get into a couple of really nice shorts, which I posted on the Discord. If you're in Discords, um, that's great. So I posted this one here, um, which played out nicely, and we'll get into the head and shoulders thing in a minute. So yeah, so it's been a decent week. Um, we started out here. We started the week short. No, we didn't start here. We started the week short. Um, it was Monday was bank holiday, so we started on Tuesday. Week short here. Then we longed in here for a bit. We shorted in here for a bit, and we longed here. We didn't get involved in that mess. Thought we were going to go higher. We didn't, and then we started to short again. I started to post shorts in around here. Wasn't sure what this nonsense was. So half decent week. Again, still quite difficult to get into any really major juicy trades because it's just even on the week it's pretty super choppy. So as you saw there, I do have a very skeptical heptical head and shoulders sat on my chart, which we developed yesterday, and we do appear to be it does appear to be playing out. So here's the neckline. And obviously we measure from here to here, and this red line here is the resulting distance. So we're looking at an end game somewhere in here. We do have this nasty wick, but it's only on Bybit, and it's only on Bybit trading view. So we're going to ignore that, I think. But we need to always be aware of it. What I might do is I might just shift that up a little bit just to incorporate it, just in case. Okay, right, but I'm not sure what's going to happen today. So let's have a look. So we've got NFP today, which means that we may have a slower than usual London. Plus, it is UK elections, council elections today. So that will probably also make the market slightly slower. So I've got a couple of points of interest that we want to look at. So first of all, just bring that up. Make sure that's nice and tidy there. Right. So just once again, looking at what our day trades are, our scalping productivity. What we might do is we might get something like this. This is what I'd like to see. This has come up. It's found some support. Let's come down. Just take out that liquidity that's decided to rest here. We've got a nice volume node. This is the 618 of this tiny move up. Let me make this bigger. Get on the 6 minute. You can see it better then. Okay, and then push up, daily open. Now, there are two possibilities here of the daily open, because we have the daily open, which would be nice, and then we turn. But we have this little gap here, which I've got put in here. We might get that or something like that. Don't know, need more data. We are mucking in a fairly small range, so just need to be wary of that. So yeah, so I'm looking for a short. I'm not sure I'll bother with this, but I really want to see a short coming in here somewhere, and then that short will take me into the this long area here that we've identified. One, we've got quite a few confluences here. So we have, oh crikey Moses, blooming drawing tool, will you please do me a favour? So we've got obviously the head and shoulders boosh, that's coming down into here. We've got this consolidation area here, and obviously we've got this little lump right here too. So this would, to me, seem like a decent area to look for a long in here. If we start losing 68 today, then I'm going to be looking for something a lot deeper, if I'm honest with you, and I think we're going to be looking down here. But my general thought process is that there was a lot of hype and bullishness sat up here. So I imagine that the liquidity was pretty strong. And obviously now that we've broken down here, everyone's suddenly very bearish, like the world's about to end. So I imagine that the market will reverse at some point and take all the bearish idiots out too. So just lastly, it's 6 minutes. Just to give you that 618 hit there. You've got the 618 here, which is good. So we're just going to go 1, 2, and then if we perceive that, I mean, you could, I don't know where you can end your, either end your 3 and give yourself an extended 5th. So you go 1, 2, this is your 3rd, and then this is all some kind of bizarre extended 5th, right? Or I guess you 1, 2, and you got a 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, and then we're coming in for another. We're coming in kind of for the 4th of the 3rd, and then we're going to go up, and then we come down again. So you know, I don't know. This wick just annoys me because it just ruins all the counting, and the fact that we came down and broke that, which then created a different structure process, which is why I generally enjoy just keeping myself focused on this kind of stuff. Oh look, we're getting this little move down here. It'll be interesting to see whether or not we bounce from in here. Okay, so here's my 2 main short areas. Here's a nice long area here, and that's about it. Shorts are what I'm looking for mainly because I don't think the the Strait of Hormuz is sorted out. We've had some firing overnight between US and Iranian troops. I think if you're being very non-scalpy about the market, then I would be very much looking for. So this is our key resistance. So if you want to long, then you need to get above that. Okay, we need to get above that, and you just see that as support, and then you go. Otherwise, you're not. There's nothing to long in here. And and as shorts go, hopefully you're still short from in here somewhere, and if not, we're just looking to retest anything major in here. If we can get a retest, then you're looking to short it, and we're looking to short it to 78. We're getting a little bit of a dumperoo here. Let's see what happens. It's 7 o'clock, so Europe's just opened, and let's have a look what we're getting. Yeah, let's just wait and see. All right, guys, listen, it's not a lot to say today. It's NFP day today, okay? So NFP is in here, right here. So non-farm change. This is going to be important. Employment rate. These are very important data points for the US. This is UK time 1:30. All right. So if in Europe you're an hour ahead, anywhere else, work it out. Okie dokie. All right, guys. So I think that's it. Let's see if we get something here. Otherwise, we're shorting from here. We're longing from in here. As I said, half decent week, just not a lot. Kind of wish I'd giga shorted up here, but it just wasn't part of my plan. And if it's not part of your plan, you don't trade it. So there you go. All right, then, lots of love, and I will catch you later on in the day. Cheers, bye.